everyone. Today our topic for discussion is governor. So my dear students, as we know that the part 6th of Indian Constitution, deals with other part of Indian federalism, that is states. Part 6th of Indian Constitution, from Article 152 to 237, it deals with states. It deals with states. As we know that from Article 152 to 167, it is related to state executive. As we know that the governor is a part of state executive. The state executive consists of governor, chief minister and council of ministers. Governor of state, chief minister of state and council of ministers. So far the governor is concerned, we see that Article 153 to 162, it's related to governor. It's related to governor of the state. So my dear students, as we know that the governor is the constitutional head of the state. Constitutional head of the state, or we can say that the nominal head of state, nominal executive. So he's a nominal executive. Article 153 of Indian Constitution, it mentions that Article 153 of Indian Constitution mentions that there shall be a governor for each state. There shall be a governor for each state. As we know that the article from 153 to 160, it's related to governor of the state. So for the article 153 is concerned that it mentions that there shall be a governor for each state. So see that article 154, it mentions the executive power of the state shall be, mentions that the executive power of the state shall be vested in the governor. And governor shall be exercised. So we see that the executive power of the state shall be exercised by governor either directly or through officers subordinate to him. So we see that the article 154 mentions the executive power of the state shall be vested in the governor and shall be exercised either directly or subordinate officers to him. ठीक है ना? Now article 155 mentions that the governor is appointed by president. So governor को कौन appoint करता है? President of India. Governor is appointed by President of India. Governor is appointed by president. So we can say that governor is the representative of president in the states. Representative of president in states. कौन है representative? President. States में कौन representative? We see that governor is a representative of president in states. ठीक है ना? So article 156. It mentions. Article 156 mentions that the governor holds office during the pleasure of president. Governor holds office during the pleasure of president. याद रखना, during the pleasure of president. Governor is appointed by president and holds office during the pleasure of the president. During the pleasure of the president. Article, so for the article 159 is concerned, it mentions about oath of governor. Oath of governor. Oath of governor. As we know that the oath of office of governor, the oath of office of governor administered by the Chief Justice of concerned High Court. Administered by Chief Justice of concerned High Court. Concerned High Court. Chief Justice of concerned High Court. Now the qualification of governor. अगर हम क्वालिफिकेशन की बात करेंगे, we see that he should be a citizen of India. Governor should be citizen of India. Qualification should be citizen of India. Should be citizen of India. याद रखना. And should be citizen of India and also should have completed 35 years age. Completed 35 years age. Should have completed 35 years of age. And we can say that, as we know that the governor should not be a member of either of the House of Parliament or House of State Legislature. Not be a member of any House of the Parliament, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, or House of State Legislature. Clear? So we see that he should not hold any office of profit. Should not hold any office of profit. Should not hold any office of profit. Office of profit. Should not hold any office of profit. So far the salary and allowances of governor is concerned, we see that the salary and allowances, they are decided by the parliament. They are decided by the parliament. So salary and allowances of governor decided by Parliament of India. Salary and allowances, they are decided by governor. The salary and allowances of governor are decided by the parliament from time to time. Now the term. We see that the governor holds the office during the pleasure of president, and the term for office 5 years. 5 years. So for removal of governor, we see that the governor may be removed by president at any time. So governor may be removed. Governor may be removed. गवर्नर को रिमूव कौन कर सकता है? By president at any time. At any time. Clear? At any time. So we can say that the governor has no fixed term of office. No fixed term of office. ठीक है ना? Resignation. So far the resignation of governor is concerned. Resignation. Governor submits his resignation. किसके पास सबमिट करता है रिजिग्नेशन? गवर्नर सबमिट्स रिजिग्नेशन टू द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. सबमिट्स रिजिग्नेशन टू द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया सबमिट्स रिजिग्नेशन टू द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है ना? नाउ वी सी दैट द प्रेसिडेंट कैन ट्रांसफर गवर्नर. वी सी दैट प्रेसिडेंट ट्रांसफर कर सकता है गवर्नर को फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अनदर स्टेट. प्रेसिडेंट में ट्रांसफर है गवर्नर फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अनदर स्टेट. एंड आल्सो वी सी दैट गवर्नर इज एलिजिबल फॉर रीअपॉइंटमेंट. ही इज एलिजिबल फॉर रीअपॉइंटमेंट. प्रेसिडेंट उसको रीअपॉइंट कर सकता है गवर्नर को. ठीक है ना? गवर्नर रीअपॉइंट अ पर्सन. President can reappoint a person as governor of the state, as the governor of the state, or transfer to the other state. Transfer to the other state. ठीक है ना? Now, अब हम करेंगे डिस्कस functions, role and powers of governor. Powers of governor. We see that governor enjoys executive, legislative, judiciary, financial powers. ठीक है ना? So So far the executive powers of governor is concerned. Executive powers, we see that the governor of state appoints chief minister of state and other ministers. So far the executive powers of governor is concerned. अगर हम एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर्स की बात करेंगे तो गवर्नर के पास पावर्स क्या है? गवर्नर अपॉइंट करता है. किसको अपॉइंट करता है गवर्नर? अपॉइंट्स. एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर्स ऑफ गवर्नर appoints chief minister of state, appoints chief minister of state and other ministers chief minister of state and other ministers. ठीक है ना? Advocate general of state, advocate general appointed by governor, advocate general highest law officer in the state. Advocate general is the highest law officer in the state and attorney general is the highest law officer in the country. ठीक है ना? attorney general and advocate general highest law officer. appoint कौन करता है? governor. ठीक है ना? governor appoints CM and other ministers, advocate general, state election commissioner, state election कमिश्नर को भी अपॉइंट करता है गवर्नर. क्लियर? स्टेट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर, स्टेट पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, चेयरमैन ऑफ स्टेट पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन एंड अदर मेंबर्स. चेयरमैन एंड मेंबर्स ऑफ स्टेट पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, चेयरमैन एंड मेंबर्स. चेयरमैन और मेंबर्स स्टेट पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के अपॉइंटेड कौन करता है? गवर्नर ऑफ द स्टेट. ठीक है ना? सो वी सी दैट दिस गवर्नर रिकमेंड्स प्रेसिडेंट रूल इन द स्टेट. गवर्नर रिकमेंड्स प्रेसिडेंट रूल. याद रखना, रिकमेंड्स. गवर्नर रिकमेंड कर सकता है प्रेसिडेंट रूल इन द स्टेट. सो प्रेसिडेंट रूल इन द स्टेट कहां पे मेंशन है? आर्टिकल 356. याद रखना, आर्टिकल 356. स्टेट इमरजेंसी कौन प्रोक्लेम्ड बाय? प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है ना? सो फॉर द एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर्स इज कंसर्न गवर्नर, वी सी दैट अपॉइंट्स वाइस चांसलर्स ऑफ वेरियस यूनिवर्सिटीज. वाइस चांसलर ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटीज कौन अपॉइंट करता है? गवर्नर. एंड हिमसेल्फ एक्ट्स एज चांसलर. याद रखना, हिमसेल्फ एक्ट्स एज चांसलर ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटीज ऑफ वेरियस यूनिवर्सिटीज ऑफ स्टेट. क्लियर? हिमसेल्फ एक्ट्स एज चांसलर. क्लियर? नाउ this was all about executive powers of governor. Now the legislative powers of governor. ठीक है ना? So far the legislative powers of governor is concerned. As we know that governor is the part of state legislature. Legislative powers of governor. As we know that governor is a part of state legislature. Governor is a part of state legislature. ठीक है ना? Governor summons the session of state legislature. Summons and prorogue. Summons means beginning of the session of state legislative assembly. ठीक है ना? And we see that prorogue means end of the session. Means ending of the session. Ending of a session of state legislative assembly. ठीक है ना? And governor dissolves. Governor dissolve कर सकता है state assembly. Governor dissolves state legislative assembly. Governor dissolves state legislative assembly. Clear? As we know that but not legislative council. But legislative council को dissolve नहीं कर सकता है. Not legislative council. Why? Because legislative council is a permanent house and cannot be dissolved. याद रखना, it's a permanent house. It's a permanent house and cannot be dissolved. Cannot be dissolved. Clear? Cannot be dissolved. Now we see that governor of the state addresses the state legislature at the beginning of beginning of the first session after every, or we can say after each general elections. After each general election, हर जब इलेक्शन, after every general election, each general election, we see that गवर्नर का क्या करता है, he addresses कहां पे एड्रेस करता है, स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में, ठीक है ना, एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ फर्स्ट सेशन, ठीक है ना. गवर्नर सेंड मैसेज टू द हाउस ऑफ स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर. गवर्नर सेंड मैसेजेस भेजता है. गवर्नर कहां पे भेजता है मैसेजेस, सेंड मैसेज टू द हाउस ऑफ स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर, to the House of State Legislature regarding the pending of bills, ठीक है ना, regarding the pending of bills. Clear? We see that regarding pending of bills in the legislature. As we know that this governor nominates, governor क्या कर सकता है, governor के legislative powers, as we know that so far the legislative powers of governor is concerned, governor nominates one Anglo-Indian to the state legislative assembly, one Anglo-Indian member, governor appoints, याद रखना, governor nominate करता है, nominates one member from Anglo-Indian community, governor nominates one member from Anglo-Indian community in the state legislature, ठीक है ना, to the state legislative assembly, में अपॉइंट करता है गवर्नर एक मेंबर को, ठीक है ना, belong from Anglo-Indian community, ठीक है ना. And we see that the governor nominates 1/6 of the members of state legislative council. याद रखना, 1/6 of the members of state legislative council, 1/6 of the members of state legislative council nominated by, कौन नॉमिनेट करता है, by governor of the state nominates 1/6 of the members कहां पे, state legislative council में, ठीक है ना, state legislative councils. We see that the members having special knowledge in the field of science, art, literature, social service, cooperatives, ठीक है ना, cooperatives. We see that 1/6 of the members को नॉमिनेट करता है गवर्नर कहां पे, लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल में, having special knowledge of art, science, literature, social service and cooperatives. Clear? As we know that the governor decides the disqualification of the member of the state legislature. Governor decides disqualification of the member of state legislature with consulting Election Commission of India. So गवर्नर डिस्क्वालीफाई कर सकता है, ठीक है ना, member of state legislature can be disqualified by whom? The governor of the state with consulting Election Commission of India, ठीक है ना. As we know that a bill becomes an act with the assent of the governor. A bill becomes act with the assent of governor, A bill becomes an act. कोई भी बिल एक्ट में चेंज होती है व्हेन एसेंट, जब एसेंट मिले उसी की, अगर हम सिटी यूनियन की बात करेंगे वहां पे प्रेसिडेंट को पावर है, ठीक है ना, एंड वी सी दैट यहाँ पे गवर्नर को पावर है स्टेट में, ठीक है ना. सो वी सी दैट a bill becomes an act with the assent of the governor, with the assent of the governor. When a bill is sent to governor, when a bill is sent to the governor give assent. गवर्नर के पास ऑप्शंस होते हैं ना, we see that he can give assent, withhold his assent, withhold भी रख सकता है, withhold his assent, or send or return the bill for reconsideration, return the bill को return भी कर सकता है for reconsideration, for reconsideration to state legislature accept money bill and amendment bill. याद रखना, मनी बिल एंड अमेंडमेंट बिल को गवर्नर रिकंसिडरेशन के लिए रिटर्न नहीं कर सकता है स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर में. क्लियर? नाउ सो फॉर द आर्टिकल ऑर्डिनेंस, आर्टिकल 213 is concerned, article 213 is concerned, we see that the governor of the state can promulgate the ordinances, promulgate the, mentions the, that the governor of the state promulgate the ordinances, ordinance means temporary law, ordinance means temporary law. Governor of state can promulgate the ordinances when the when the state legislature is not in the session, when state legislature is not in a session, so at that time, when state legislature is not in a session, at that time we can say that the governor of state can promulgate the ordinances. Ordinance means temporary law, governor temporary law, ठीक है ना. लेकिन we see that governor withdraw the ordinance, वो withdraw भी कर सकता है ordinance को. क्लियर? नाउ अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे फाइनेंशियल पावर्स. So far the financial powers of governor is concerned, financial powers of governor, financial powers of governor of state, financial powers of governor. As we know that money bill can be introduced in the state legislature only on the recommendations of the governor. याद रखना, money bill introduced in state legislature, money bill introduce की जाती है state legislature में because on the recommendations of governor, ठीक है ना. Second, governor can make advances out of the out of the contingency fund of state, make advances out of contingency fund of the state. So governor क्या कर सकता है? Can make advances out of the contingency fund of a state, meet unforeseen expenditure, to meet unforeseen expenditure. And we see that the governor constitute state finance commission. याद रखना, governor so far constitute state finance commission, state finance commission after every 5 years. After every 5 years, governor constitute state financial commission. Clear? Now, the judicial powers of governor. We see that governor can grant pardon, ठीक है ना. Pardon, reply, माफी भी दे सकता है. Governor takes, we see that, takes decisions with relation to the appointment of district court judges, ठीक है ना, in consultation with state high court. And also we see that governor of the state can approve state budget. याद रखना, state budget is approved by governor. Clear? But governor of state cannot, we can say that, cannot pardon a death sentence. Cannot, याद रखना, governor of state cannot pardon death sentence. Death सेंटेंस, ठीक है ना। एज वी नो दैट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया के पास होते हैं डिप्लोमेटिक पावर्स, गवर्नर के पास डिप्लोमेटिक पावर्स नहीं होते, ठीक है ना। डिप्लोमेटिक पावर्स प्रेसिडेंट के पास होते हैं, बट गवर्नर नॉट enjoying the diplomatic powers. Clear? So my dear students, this was all about governor of the state. So वीडियो को देखने के साथ साथ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।